Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So today is the last day of our week and we're going to look into weekly candle chart because we need to identify the larger trend. Then after that we're going to look into 15-minute candle or 1-day candle for identifying any kind of trade. So in weekly candle you can clearly see here that from the last 1 or 2 months it continuously took support from that 39,700 to 800 zone and today it also tried to closes above that but at the end market closes around 39,400 level. So as of now in weekly candle chart it kinds of looks negative to me. You can clearly see here that it make an inside candle here, but it looks kind of negative to me. As I said, it closes below that support level, and in this week it also tried to closes below that level more than once, and so we can take trade for selling if it opens flat or opens gap down, and if it try to closes below 39,000 level in this week on Monday or Tuesday, then you can shoot some selling pressure here. And for the entire week our target will be 38,000 level to 37,500 level. So that's all about weekly candle. Now let's look into daily candle chart. So in daily candle you can clearly see here that it continuously took support from that level which is 39,700 to 800 zone. So in this week it also tried to closes above that, as I said, in weekly candle, but it could not sustain there. So it kind of looks negative to me, and you can clearly see here that the pattern is also so negative pattern here. So if on Monday if it opens flat or opens gap down, and if it trades below 39,150 or 39,000 level and shows any kind of negative movement by opening gap down also, then you can take trade for selling and you can set our target to 38,800 to 38,600. So in 1-day candle chart it looks kind of negative to me. Let's assume that if it opens gap up, then we'll going to wait for at least 50 to 20 minutes for any kind of trend confirmation. Then after that we'll going to take trade for trading. But for taking any kind of buying or selling trade, we need to look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that market continuously try to go up from the last 3 to 4 days, but on expiry day it continuously hit resistance from that 40,300 level, and it continuously goes down until 39,300. So you can clearly see that today it also market opens flat and try to closes above that 39,600 or 700 level, but it could not sustain there because previously we have seen some large selling pressure here. So those sellers who did not take any kind of selling trade, they were going to take trade for selling immediately as soon as it try to hit that higher side. So today it also happens that, and right now it trades around 39,350. As I said, we need to take trade for selling if it opens flat or if it trades below 39,200, because previously we have seen that 39,200 or 300 act as major support level. So if it closes below that, then we can take trade for selling. And one thing you can clearly notice here that on Tuesday or Wednesday, you can clearly see that continuously took support from that 39,400 level. So today it also closes below that, it kind of makes negative candle here. So as I said, we can take trade for selling, and target we can set to 39,000 level. If it opens gap up, then let it closes above 39,800. Then after that we will going to decide what to do. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in weekly candle chart. In Nifty, you can clearly see that from the last 3 to 4 weeks, it continuously tried to goes down, and in the last 2 weeks, it continuously made low around 16,800 to 840 level. So as of now, it looks negative to me. Previously, we have seen some buying pressure around that zone. So my suggestion would be, let it closes below that zone which is 16,800 level in this week, then we can expect some selling pressure here, and that to be rapid selling pressure, and target we can set to 16,200 to round level 16,000. So in weekly candle chart it looks like negative to me, as I said. Then we can consider it for any kind of selling if it trades below 16,800 level. Now let's look into 1-day candle chart. In 1-day candle chart, you can clearly see that from the previous week and on Monday it also made low around that 16,835 level. So as of now it act as a major support level, so it needs to closes below that or trades below that. Then after that we can expect some selling pressure here, and right now market trades around 16,940 level. You can clearly notice one thing that it may closes above that 70,000 level, and you all know that that round level may be act as a major support level. So if it closes above that by opening gap up, then it may be show some positive movement here, and we can set our target to 7,200. But if once again it try to closes above that 7,200 level, then it may be show some rapid positive movement until 70,400 also. So in weekly candle chart and 1-day candle chart, it kind of looks negative to me. So if it opens flat and opens gap down and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can expect some selling pressure here. But for taking any kind of buying or selling trade, we need to look into 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that Nifty continuously took support from that 17,000 level to 7,100 level. So today market closes below 7,000 level and continuously shows negative movement here. And after that we can expect some selling pressure. As I said, if it opens flat and closes below 16,900 level, then we can expect some selling pressure here. And our fast target will be 16,842, round level 16,000. If it opens a gap up, then what should we do? Because you can clearly see here that 17,000 level to 7,100 level act as a major support level, or it may be also act as a resistance level. So if it opens a gap up around 7,000 or 7,080 and shows positive movement by halted there for at least 15 to 20 minutes, then we can expect some buying pressure here, and target we can set to 17,162, round level 17,200. If it opens a gap down and shows negative movement or trades below 16,835 or 800, then we can expect some selling pressure here also. So in Bank Nifty and Nifty, it's kind of looks negative to me, then you can consider for it for any kind of selling trade. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components. So our past component will be HDFC Bank, and you can clearly see that today HDFC Bank opens gap down and it tried to close above that 1573, but it could not sustain there. So right now it looks negative to me. So if it once again try to closes below 1560 or 1555, then after that we can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 1540. In ICICI Bank, it trades in that range, which as I said previously, that 860 and 850 act as a major sideways zone. So if it closes below that, or if it trades below 850 or 49, then you can expect some selling pressure here. But if it opens a gap up or try to close above 860 or 65, then you can expect some buying pressure there also. Now let's look into SBI Bank. And in SBI Bank, you can clearly see that it tried to closes below that 500 level, which previously act as a major support level. So it needs to closes below that for taking any kind of selling trade. So in this week, if it trades below that 500 level, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target we can set to 470 level. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, today it made positive candle here, other banks made negative candle. And in Kotak Bank, you can clearly see that we have resistance around 1700 to 1710 level, and it continuously took support from that 1680 level. So my suggestion would be, if on 1 or 2 days, if it trades below 1680, then you can expect some selling pressure here. But if it trades above 1700 or 1710, then you can expect some buying pressure here. As of now, it kind of looks sideways to me. Then we'll going to wait for at least 1 to 2 days or 3 days. Then after that, we can decide what to do. In Axis Bank, you can clearly see that today it tried to close below that 840 level, which previously acted as a major support level. So if on Monday once again try to close below that 840, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target we can set to round level 820. Now let's look into IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, it also make a kind of negative candle here. If it once again try to close below 1000 level for the next week, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 950 to 925. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any issue, then let me know in the comment box. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it.